Great rise. Yeah, man, give thanks and praises, you know. Great rise. Yeah, man, it's a beauty to see when the sun, rise on the plants. Yeah, man, it's a beauty. It's really a beauty, you know. Yeah, the plants are looking amazing. Yeah, man, the Calaloo plants are looking amazing. Yeah. Watch the ray of the sun on the plants, you know? Yeah. These Calaloo can harvest. Give thanks and praises, you know? Yeah, man, give thanks to the Almighty for another sunrise. Yeah, man, the weather is good. Yeah, man, the weather is good and it's amazing that I can come in my garden another day. And today is a beautiful day. You know why it's a beautiful day? When you see this in my hand, what it mean? Something I get harvest. And today is a good day harvesting Calaloo. Let's go. Well, one thing, you know. This thing is so sharp. Yeah, man. The cutter here is so sharp. Yeah, man. This marigold brand, marigold TM since 1958. The thing so sharp. Me I tell you. Yeah. Ting so sharp. Yeah. Yeah, man, sorry about that. It was hard to hold the camera and cut them at the same time. Yeah, man, but this is it. This is it. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, man. It's an amazing feelings, you know? Yeah, really amazing feelings. Ah. Yeah, man. Abundance of blessing, you know? Yeah. This is the sweet part of farming or gardening. Yeah, man, it's like waiting to exhale. Top of the morning, my herbal laws extended family. This is not one of the regular intro video, but just I man sharing the abundance of blessing, harvesting Calaloo in my garden as I express the overwhelming feelings. But for new family to the channel, yeah man, this is a channel where we grow herb for teas, we grow fruits and vegetables. Yeah, but most of all herb for teas. So right here I'm washing off the dirt and just washing off my Calaloos, yeah? I will also wash them off when I go inside with some vinegar and salt. Yeah, man. For you know, we grow them naturally grown, but all sort of bugs and things crawl on them. So you have to clean them up properly, yeah, before you consume them. But it's an amazing feeling to harvest some Calaloo with you guys, my Herbal Laws extended family. It's a good day. Yeah, man. It's a overwhelming feelings, when you plant and the things them grow. Yeah, man, it's a really overwhelming feelings. Yeah, man. People who garden and farm will know what I'm talking about. Trust me. Amazing feelings. It's an amazing feelings. Trust me. So, yeah, I'm gonna harvest some of this holy basil and then I'm going to set back a piece of it. Yeah, man. So, stay tuned. So, I'm going to cut these containers to set it in. So, yeah. So, I have to cut it where it can grow back. So, I'd cut it like here. Yeah, so that it can grow. Yeah. So, after I cut it like it can grow, I'm gonna harvest here. I'm gonna harvest this. And I'm gonna set this. So I'm gonna set this. This go there. This is what the plant looks like after pruning it up. This is what the holy basil look like after pruning it up. Yeah. These are the ones that are set in water. These are, I have an empty pot that I want to find something to replant. Replant this pepper. Scotch bonnet
it was
peppers.
recording. Yeah, so I'm gonna replant these suckers. Yeah, but some of the leaves have aphids on it, and I'm trying to get rid of the leaves with the aphids. Yeah, so yeah, so I'm gonna plant these as they are. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Yeah, I just stick a piece of aloe vera near the plant, you know. was come for me thing them. Yeah.